Adding new tokens. By default, you can see only Ethereum is available, so this is the only token, the only asset we have, and we can add more tokens. The way to do is just you can go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, and you can find your token. You can copy the contract address, and then you can click add token in MetaMask and paste the address. Okay, so let's do it. I'm going to one of these okay, CoinGecko, or we can go to CoinMarketCap. To any of them, you can see all the tokens are here. Just scroll down and find your token. For example, we can add Polygon. Click on that. Here it is, the contract. Just click copy. You can copy the address, or you can just add to MetaMask directly. You can add from here. So I just copy the address. I go to import tokens, and you can paste the address right here. You can see Matic network token, and click next, import token. Yes, you can see here we have Matic now. Here we can send, we can swap. The next thing we need to do is we can add a new whole network. So by default, we have only here the Ethereum mainnet. So let me hide this, all the test nets here. Yeah, you can see by default we have only Ethereum mainnet. So we can add different kinds of networks like Polygon, like Biance Smart Chain, like Avalanche, or any other blockchains. The way to do that is just click add network. Okay, here are certain details that you need to fill it. The network name, the RPC URL. RPC is just remote procedure call, like something like that, and it's just the interface which gives you the permission, gives your wallet the capability to interact with certain blockchain. With the chain ID, currency symbol, and the block explorer. In here we are going to add let's say Binance or Avalanche. These details are available. You can go to the website, the project docs of a specific network, and you can find these details. In here, I will put the link in the description. You can go to my website. For some of these networks, I collected all the details, and I just put them in one place. Go to the journals here, connecting new networks to MetaMask Wallet. Scroll down. In here, you can add Biance Smart Chain network to MetaMask, and the details for the Polygon, Avalanche, and Arbitrum are available here. So we can add one of these networks. In here we are adding, for example, Polygon network. The name is Polygon mainnet. Let me close these extra windows. And we have the RPC URL. The chain ID 137. And Matic is the currency symbol. Alright, just click save. Yes, you can see we have the Polygon right here, and we have the Ethereum mainnet, we have the Polygon, and just same case you can add any other networks. 4 of them, the details are here, and the others you can just find on the websites.